Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add Tron from Telegram wallet to Binance. So here I will just give you a step-by-step guide, make sure you follow it. So open your Binance, you can just do it from mobile application as well as from your website. So I am at the website, make sure you log in into your Binance account here. Now once you log in, just go to the wallet section and select Spot Wallet, right? And click on deposit. In the search bar type Tron or Tron coin to find it and you will get it. Now click on it, choose the appropriate network for the deposit. Usually make sure that it is be on the default and it will be accepted automatically. Copy the deposit address and memo, right? And this is very important. Now you have to go to your Telegram wallet. Once you go to the launch the Telegram app and navigate to the wallet here, as you can see on the screen, ensure you have Tron coin available in your wallet, right? And once you do this, right, then you have to tap on send in your Telegram wallet. Set here you have to select external, right? And once you select external wallet, paste the deposit address on the copied from the Binance into the address field, enter the amount of Tron coin you wish to transfer. Sometimes Binance require a memo which I told you to copy it. So now you can paste it here if there is a required, right, in the tag field in the Telegram. Now confirm the transaction, and this is how after a few moments check your Binance account once again, right, in the wallet under your spot wallet to see if the Tron coin has been credited or not. If it is credited, then of course it has been deposited into the here. And if that possible, make sure to like this video, subscribe.